Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export a Google Sheets file to image. So you can actually export your your Google Sheets as image by doing this. So there are two ways. The first way that you can do is you can just click on file at the top, go to download and click on PDF in here. So this is the print preview, and after that you can just click on export. Then you can open your browser and just uh, find PDF to for example JPG converter. So just find this, and after that you can just open the page and then just upload the PDF file of this Google Sheets into the converter, and after that you'll have your uh Google Sheets as image. So that's the first way. The second way that you can do is use the screenshot, or like I did, the snipping tool on my computer in here. So you can use any screenshot apps on your device. Click on the new, for example, and after that just select the part that you want to save as image like this, and you can see this is the preview, and you can just click on Ctrl plus S on your keyboard, or just click on the save button, and just like that the Google Sheets will be saved as image. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.